You know the fucking elephants that they have painting?
Yeah.
They should train the fucking hippos to spray paint.
That'd be pretty cool right there. What are we doing? Government,
get on it.
Stop making puberty blockers for kids and make elephants fucking, I don't know, paint.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, you tried.